This video is going to show you how to use Dochub.com in order to type directly on PDF documents. So this is an example here of a document where you're not able to type right on it. It is a PDF. So what you're going to do is go to Dochub.com, and this is what that website looks like. And in order to use Dochub, you do have to sign up, but since we are a Google school, all you have to do is click this green Google button, and it will just take all of that important information that they need. Just your school email is in there. And once you're in Dochub, you are going to import a new document. So once you have the document open that you're going to be typing on, you're just going to click the button up here that adds it to your Google Drive. And I've already added this one to my drive here. So it's in there now. You're going to want to take note of what the title of the document here is. And then once you import the document, that's how you're going to be able to find it. So you'll click on this new and then click right here, import new document. And since this is linked to our Google account, the easiest way to do this is to get it from our Google Drive, because that's where we saved it. And again, this is where that remembering what the title is comes into play. I'm just going to type right up here, U.S. History Chapter 14, because that's what I saved it as. And there it is. So I'll select it, and it imports it for me and opens it right up. So now this document is in Dochub. The important thing up here for me to understand is these tools. So this is how I'm going to be able to write on this document. Now for this particular document, I have to answer questions in a box here. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the text tool, and that's the little A up in the corner here. So I'll click on that text tool, and now I'm able to drag and drop a text box anywhere I want. And I'm able to just start typing. When I'm done with my question, I can either click the pointer here so that I can click somewhere on the screen, or I could just scroll down and draw my next text box wherever I need it. Another good tool for this is the pen tool. So for example, if I had to underline something on the paper, I would use this pen tool, and then just like you would with anything, you would just drag it, and that's how you would use that pen tool. If I wanted to erase something, I could choose the whiteout tool. Additionally, if you would just click on the pointer, you could take something away by putting your cursor over it and clicking on the X. So those are some of the good tools on here on Dochub. So after I'm all done with this, I'm going to want to save this document. So I'm going to come up here to the file, and I'm going to want to download or export. Because if I want to attach this document to a lesson or something like that, I'm going to want to have this downloaded. And you can save it to your computer, your Google Drive, anything you want. I'm just going to choose to save it to my drive, and it's going to be saved as the same title that it was before. So I'll click Export to Drive, and then it's successfully saved to my Google Drive. So if I wanted to see it, I could click on that, see exactly where it is. But for now, I'm good knowing that it's in my Google Drive. So if I had to upload this to a lesson, I would then go into my lesson and just upload it, find it in my Google Drive. But one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to go up to the top of the website and just take that link, because this is a private document. If I just take that link, my teacher's not going to know, not going to be able to get in there and see it. So they're not going to know that I've done this. So another thing that you can do is come in and change the privacy. So if I wanted this to be public, then anyone can view it, and I could then share the link. Get that shareable link and share that with my teacher. The easiest way though is just to go to that download and save it onto my Google Drive. If you have any questions about using Dochub, please just let me know. This is a really great tool and something you're going to use in this class a lot in order to type right on our documents.